The winner is, in this situation, ICA Bootcamp.
Thank you very much. I'd like to thank Tanya Dowling, Bill Malone and Eddie Doyle in particular in RTE for seeing the potential in a programme called ICA Bootcamp. I want to thank a very hard-working production team, Isabel Briggs, Ruth O'Looney, but by far away the hardest-working director, Sarah Barrow, who had to work under an incredibly tight production schedule and the heaviest snowfall that Termonfeckin in County Louth has ever seen back in December 2011, 10? Anyway, I would also like to thank the ICA ladies themselves, the charming and very terrifying ICA ladies, who really give this series heart and soul, but they'd still ate you for breakfast without salt. And to the ICA themselves, a wonderful organisation. They're not just about brown bread and knitting. They were founded to further, I think, the independence of rural women, and they still espouse that today. Thankfully for us, they also have a wonderful sense of humour. So to all of those, and to Helen McCarl, a co-originator, thank you very, very much. Appreciate it.